IEEE Quantum Week is one of the most important, if not the most important conference in quantum technologies in the world. It's a packed program full of activities, but at the end of the week I think everyone's pretty excited to be here.
So to me it's a very special conference because it's my first ever conference. You have to imagine we get these schedules and 7 interesting things are happening at the same time. Most difficult work you have to do during this week is figuring out where to go first.
So Quantum Week is interesting with many tutorials, workshops and panels. And we are also participating in these parts, but we are not here only for this, but also to attract many young talents who is interested in working in quantum industry.
You cover all topics of quantum, from theory down to hardware, the coverage of all the topics together at one event. That is really great. I like that this is an opportunity from IEEE side to bring the people together, to learn from each other and to network together and find partners.
So Quantum Week is special to me, one because I have an engineering background, and so marrying the engineering and the physics of quantum is very important for the success of this industry. So I think this is a great time for those two disciplines to work together and advance this field.
Quantum Week is special to me because it's my first ever big quantum conference, and I'm really excited to be here and listen to people discuss how the field is progressing in real time. I think it's really interesting to hear about all of the recent developments and what people are working on and just how it relates to me.
I'm really excited by the prospect that academia and industry are working together for the common good, which is to develop quantum technologies and use that for the benefit of the world.